bound D local train. The next stop is 161st Street, Yankee Stadium. This is a Washington Heights 168th Street bound D express train. The next stop is 145th Street. This is a Washington Heights 168th Street bound D train via the A line. The next and last stop is 168th Street. This is a Queens bound D train via the F line. The next stop is Roosevelt Island. This is a Forest Hills 71st Avenue bound D train via the F local line. The next stop is Jackson Heights, Roosevelt Avenue. This is a Queens bound D train via the A line. The next stop is Grant Avenue. This is a Far Rockaway, Mott Avenue bound D train via the A line. The next stop is Beach 67th Street. This is a Times Square 42nd Street bound D train via the Q line. The next stop is 14th Street, Union Square. This is a Queens-bound E local train. The next stop is West 4th Street. This is a Queens-bound E express train. The next stop is 5th Avenue, 53rd Street. This is a Jamaica Center-bound E train. The next and last stop is Jamaica Center. This is a Jamaica Center-bound E express train. The next stop is Queens Plaza. This is a 179th Street bound E express train. The next stop is Queens Plaza. This is a Manhattan bound E express train. The next stop is Lexington Avenue, 53rd Street. This is a 2nd Avenue bound E